Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some nice additions installed right here at Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift kit, pocket-style fender flares to match the body color, bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires, and then sitting on some 20-inch fuel rims with some 35-inch TOYO all-terrain open country tires. You've got some nice accessories there, but let's take a look inside. Holders, and then the seats do fold up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo that you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have two cup holders, 12 volt, two USBs, 110 volt, and heated rear seats with 2 levels each, so you can stay comfortable while riding in the back. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding mirrors as well, and then 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise controls, and then your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through information such as your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, compass, and your auto start stop status. And you have truck info such as your tire pressures, digital speedometer, and engine info. You can also look at your towing status and information and your off-road status. And you have settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. And then you do have a favorites view where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm in the colder months. You do also have your phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, and whatever apps you may have installed. You have settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view and 360 sensors, so you can see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything. You do also have a dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that you have your traction control shutoff hazards, your remote camera view, so you can see your front view and your 360 view, and a few different views, so you can kind of plan your move. And then you have your auto start stop shut off, so when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. Truck does also have a premium B&O audio system that's Bang & Olufsen, so your audio is going to sound pretty nice. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, once again with dual front climate and heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, pro trailer backup controller underneath that, and then a trailer brake controller at the very bottom. And then on the right you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Then down below you have this compartment which opens to reveal 2 USBs and some space, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the bottom. So you have normal, tow haul, snow, wet, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your lane departure warning or lane keep assist, and your parallel park assist right there. And then you have your center lockable compartment / armrest here, which opens to reveal a removable tray and a ton of space, as well as another 12 volt power outlet, so you can store all of your stuff in there and still plug something in. And then looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can land the sunshine on a nice sunny day or a breeze while you're out for a cruise. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck and you want some nice accessories, they're installed right here at Prince George Ford. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.